Welcome back to MarineMax Panama City Beach. Lance Weatherby here with one of our newest arrivals. Behind me here we've got a 2005 Sea Ray 280 that we just traded for. Very well kept boat. This boat was stored here locally. It's a 2-owner boat. This boat's got fresh bottom paint. All services are up to date. Generator, the motors are Mercruiser 5.0 MPIs. About 415 hours. Great bimini top, full bimini with the rear bimini. This boat also has a full cockpit cover. Walking back over here to the rear platform, great sea deck. And as we walk up front too, you'll see this boat has sea deck throughout. Just a great little boat. If you're looking for an overnighter or something to get you out on the water and stay a couple days, this would be a great boat for that. This boat is priced perfectly. This boat's priced at $50,585. A ton of boat for the money where you're not breaking the bank, and you can take the kids and the family on an overnight trip. Come on up, let me show you around. Yeah, up here on the cockpit, as you can tell, the 280 is a very spacious boat. Of course, 280 is yacht certified. Great interior on this boat. Like I said, this boat was covered, kept on a lift. Good electronics, Raymarine A65 with the Raymarine VHF. This boat, of course, has trim tabs. And just a nice little boat. I mean, you've got sea deck throughout here on the deck. Real comfortable under your feet when you take your shoes off. Nice bench seating back here with the speakers. Momo recessed speakers in this boat. Just a nice little boat. And you can see the sea deck up front here too. Of course, windlass, anchor system, and a spacious cabin. As having a very spacious cabin as this 280 does, this boat will sleep 5 comfortably. You have a nice table that folds down here with a bench seat. It'll sleep 2 in the aft berth and of course 2 in the V berth. When you're laying in bed at night, you can turn on the flat screen TV up in the V berth and watch a movie when the boats are rocking. Come by and see us at MarineMax Panama City Beach.